Can whole brain emulation lead to digital immortality? Imagine a future where your mind could live on forever inside a computer. That idea might sound like science fiction, but it is rooted in real scientific concepts. Whole brain emulation involves creating a detailed digital copy of a human brain. This process would scan the brain at a very high resolution, capturing every neuron and connection. Then, it would simulate how these neurons work together on powerful computers. The goal is to make a digital version that thinks, feels, and behaves just like the original person. This idea is closely linked to the singularity concept, which suggests a point where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence. Some believe that if we perfect brain emulation, we could reach a stage where digital minds become indistinguishable from biological ones. This could lead to a form of digital immortality, where a person's consciousness continues to exist after their biological body has died. However, creating a digital copy raises many questions. For example, does this copy truly have the same consciousness as the original, or is it just a very accurate replica? Some argue that once the biological brain dies, the original consciousness ends. The digital version might behave exactly like the person but would be a new entity. This makes us wonder if digital immortality is really the same as living forever. The technology needed for whole brain emulation is still in development. It requires extremely detailed brain scans, which are very expensive and time-consuming. The scans could take hours or days, and the data might cost thousands of dollars. The simulation itself would need supercomputers capable of handling trillions of neural connections. This could take years to develop and cost millions of dollars. Ethical issues also come into play. Should we have the right to create digital copies of ourselves? Would these digital minds have rights? Could they suffer if placed in digital environments? These questions are important because they touch on our ideas of identity, consciousness, and morality. Today, AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney can mimic human conversation and create art, but they do not have consciousness. They are based on pattern recognition and data, not true awareness. Brain-computer interfaces are advancing, helping people restore lost functions or communicate better. These are steps toward understanding the brain better, but full emulation is still a long way off. In the end, whole brain emulation could be a path to digital immortality, but many scientific, technical, and ethical hurdles remain. Whether it will truly preserve consciousness or just create very convincing copies is still a matter of debate. As AI and neuroscience progress, we might get closer to understanding if digital minds can really live forever.